Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I shall be discussing a new chapter from the vocabulary portion, nominalization. So first let us know what is nominalization. So I've written a definition. What is a nominalization? Give example. A nominalization is the conversion of common nouns, adjectives and verbs into nouns. Means it is the conversion of common nouns, adjectives and verbs into nouns. We have to add something to common nouns, adjectives and verbs to make it a noun, and that conversion is known as nominalization. So look here, I have given an example. Grow, growth. Grow is a verb. With grow, th is added, which became a noun. So this is nominalization. And th is added at the end of a word. So this th is known as suffix. See here, you will get suffixes which are added to nouns, adjectives and verbs to make it a noun, which is known as nominalization. So suffix means which is the words, the letters which are added at the end of a word to make it a noun. So let's now read out the first one. See here, suffix age. So age is added to bag and post. So it becomes baggage and postage. So baggage means the things which we take for traveling, means all the personal belongings that you take while you go for a travel, means the suitcases and all the things. This means baggage. And postage means sending letters or parcels by post. Next is L. See here, arrive and buddy. With arrive, if we add arrive and L, then it becomes arrival. Arrival means coming. And buddy, with buddy, if we add L is added, it becomes burial. So burial means the ceremony of burying a grave. It is the action of burying a grave, burying a dead body into a grave. Next is ance, A-N-C-E and E-N-C-E. So defense. So defense means to protect someone. Defense. Defend is there with defend. This defense come. Defend is a verb. So when we add ce to at the end of a sentence, at the end of a word, here e and ce, it becomes defense, and it is a nominalization. All are nominalizations. So in this way, nominalization happens. Means when with a verb suffixes are added and a noun is formed, so this conversion is known as nominalization. The same way, next one is enc is here, insistence. Insist means to force someone, demanding to do something forcefully. So insist, from insist came insistence. Next is dome. See, this is a suffix which will be added at the end of a verb or a noun to make it a noun. Means noun means a common nouns. See here, board. Board is a verb, with it dome is added. Boredom. Boredom is boring. Free, with free is a verb. So when dome is added, it becomes freedom. Freedom is the act of, that means action freely. Freedom is the state of being free. Next is EWE. So with employee, EWE is added. Employee. Employee means a person who is employed for salary. Next is trainee. With train, EE is added. So suffix EEE is added. So trainee means a person who is being trained for a particular job. Next is year. When year is added to paint, it becomes painter. So painter means one who paints. And year is added to write, it becomes writer, means one who writes. Next is or. Or when or is added to act, it becomes actor, means one who acts. And director, one who directs. Next is hood. When hood is added to child, it becomes childhood. It becomes childhood. Childhood means the state of being a child. Next is neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area surrounding a place. Not only place, surrounding a place, it may be a person or objects. So this means neighborhood. Next is ISM. See here capital. With capital ISM is added, it becomes capitalism. It is a system, it is an economic system which is controlled by private owner for profit. Next is socialism. Socialism is also a system, but it is controlled. It is a system where the government's industry and all, means industry and trade, are controlled by private owners as well as the community. This means socialism. Next is IST. When IST is added to guitar, guitar is a noun. You know it is an instrument. It becomes guitarist, means one who plays guitar. When IST is added to piano, means piano. Piano is also an instrument, means one who plays piano is known as a pianist. Next is ITY. ITY, see, when with brutal, ITY is added. Brutal means one who behaves in a, not one, it is a verb, means torture. Some brutality means mistreating someone in a very bad manner. And humanity means treating someone in a very sympathetic manner, in a kind manner. Next is I. Look here, Iraq. Iraq is the name of a country. With Iraq, if I is added, it becomes Iraqi. Means a person from Iraq is known as Iraqi. A person from Pakistan is known as Pakistani. Next is ISH. A person from Britain is known as British, Great Britain. A person of Spain is known as Spanish. ISH is added. Next is IN. Canadian means a person from Canada. Malaysian, a person from Malaysia. Next is RY. RY means here, see, with enter comes entry. Entry means the entrance, the way to go, to enter. Next is ministry, means the work of a minister. Next is robbery, means the act of robbing something. Next is ship. With friend comes, see here, friendship. So friendship means all of us know. Next comes is membership. Membership means belonging to a group or society. Next is SION, shun, means expression. From here comes expression, means the act of expressing. Omission. Omission means to leave something, to avoid or to remove something. See, omission. Next, TION, when it is added to population, see here, means all the people or animals that live in a place. Next is donation, means something that is given to an organization or that is helped, or that is set up to help someone in need, means donation. To do something means something that we give to an organization to help someone in need. Next is torture. Sorry, TURE means architecture. See here, with architect comes architecture. Architecture means the design of a building. And capture means to catch something. Next is Y. With honest comes honesty. So honesty, you know, means the quality of being truthful. And with jealous comes jealousy. So jealousy is another quality. So this means nominalization. Nominalization means, again I am repeating, it is a conversion of common nouns, adjectives and verbs into nouns. There are many other examples. You read this. I hope you understood this one. So these are the suffixes which are added to verbs. There are verbs, there are adjectives, there are also common nouns which with them suffixes are added to make it a noun. So this conversion is known as nominalization. So in my next video I shall discuss the other portion of this chapter. I shall discuss it in my next video. So for today let's end the class here. So thank you and have a nice day.